Sup, back in the guys. Here's Hamilton Northwestern. Very rarely I catch this second time, and that's since the past 2 days or so. And he's doing this weird configuration. One engine leading, and a bunch of green cars behind it, and he's towing the other engine behind him. 1397, I believe, is the one in tow, and the leading engine's XUM Pacific GLLX locomotive 1416. Here we go. Hamilton Northwestern Railroad. There he is. Old MP15 AC locomotives. There we go. Quite a bumpy track. Look at that. Catch this. I never have watched catching this straight ever. They own farm services. You don't see those cars too often. Pretty cool. Definitely do not see Zealand Farm Services. That's what FSX or whatever. Or yeah, Zealand Farm Services. There's a rare DT. There's a not very rare DT. There's pusher engine, I guess, whatever you want to call it. And tow locomotive. There it is right there. There it goes. There's people in there. Look at that. There it goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this time. Rail Finland. Stay tuned for more trace. Rail Finland and out. Here's Hamilton Northwestern Short Line Railroad. Here we go. Going over to Hamilton Trestle right now. Been waiting my whole life for this. Rail fading in and out. Took a stop and Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Visit this. I'm Ralph and Ralph and out.